Happy new month, every one of you watching this video. Okay, this is Viral Money Dude, and we're here in another new year where you're going to be getting financial informations towards your financial success and stability. Okay, and before you move on to this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're coming across this video for the first time, and make sure to check the comment section where I'll be dropping links to my WhatsApp handle, to my Telegram community, and also to my Twitter profile so that you can be aware of every update that I will be dropping for you this year. So this year it's going to be very different. There are a lot of trends coming up, especially in the cryptocurrency space, and I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity, because this is an opportunity that can make you thousands to ten thousands of dollars to hundred thousands of dollars, that can make you a millionaire from wherever you are at the comfort of your home with just your mobile phone this year. I really want every one of you watching this video to make money online, even if you have never made any money in this online space. All right, this is an incredible opportunity that I won't want you to miss out. So let's get into this video and start making money for ourselves. All right, so let's get into business, and most importantly, what I need you to do is click the link on the description on the comment section. All right, once you click on that link, you'll be brought to this page. Then you click on the first link you can see here, Cube Exchange. All right, that should take you to a new dashboard. This is it. Then just click on continue with Google. All right, continue with Google to sign in with your Gmail. After that, you're going to agree, select your country wherever you are. I'm from Nigeria. Okay, then you go through all this. All right, you go through all this, then you accept to this term. Okay, then you hit on continue. Once you hit on continue, you click on set up my PC wallet, and it's going to generate it for you. Please make sure to download this and keep it safe. Okay, please make sure to download this and keep it safe. This is just a demo account. I'm not going to use this account in real time, so I'm just showing you through the process of creating your account on this platform. Okay, then you hit on continue. Then this is where you're going to provide a proof of identity, okay, and perform a liveness check. Okay, you can continue this on your phone, or if you're using a laptop, um, or if you're using a phone, then you just do this. So if I hit on this, you can see now it says tell us where you are from. I am a resident, or I live in, you don't live in the United States. Click on others to agree to the privacy. Now you can see the only thing for verification here is, unfortunately, is your driver license and your passport. So if you don't have any of these and your relative are close by, they have this, you can just use them for it. So if you have a driver license, you click on driver license. If you have a passport, then you hit on next. Then you'll be asked to upload the front and back side of your driver license. As you can see, you do that, then you'll be asked to verify your address. Just use your bank statement, and the rest of that is just a very easy process. After doing all this, you're going to have access to your account, and this is how your dashboard will look like. So briefly, let me just take you around the platform. You're going to find this interface. When you're using your mobile phone, some of the interface will be limited. I'm just going to minimize this. Now when I minimize this, you'll notice that this is the same interface you'll be getting with your mobile phone. You see the chart, convert section, order section, portfolio, trade. But when I make this a full screen, you find out that there's something missing here, which is the market, okay, and the reward. These two features are only available for those using their laptops. All right, and the reward is just basically this, what you're seeing right now, where you can claim airdrops. Okay, you can claim airdrops, you can claim points. This point will make you eligible for airdrops. Okay, this point will make you eligible for the airdrops that this platform will give whenever they launch. All right, so basically this would be treated another time. Now the most important thing I want to show you in this video is how to trade on this platform and make profit from it. So let's have a rundown of the platform. The first thing you see is trade, which you can also see if you're using your mobile phone. Then the next is the convert. All right. Next is the bundle. I think you won't see this also when it's on the mobile view. Okay. So what we have is chart, convert, order, portfolio, and trade. Those are the things we can see here. So we have the trade here, we have the convert, all right, order, portfolio is there, and those are just it. So when you come onto this platform, at the top right corner, you're going to be seeing some things here. They are not much, they are not necessary if you're new to crypto, or you can learn that outside this video. Well, the first thing you're going to see is the pair, what you're trading to, okay, what you're trading against. You're trading URC to USDC. When you click on that, you're going to see other crypto pairs like BTC to USDC, ETH to USDC, Solana to USDC, and so many of these pairs. But we're going to be focusing on one major pair that has been able to make me over $1,000 trading on this platform, and you too can take advantage of it to also make some cool money for yourself with your mobile phone. All right, so the pair is the Honey USDC pair, as you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. So this is the Honey USDC pair, and you can see currently the Honey to USDC is 0.1170. All right, now very important, once you create your account, the first thing you need to do is deposit $100 into your account. Okay, and what you can do is to click on the deposit section, which you can see at the top left corner or the top right corner. Once you click on the deposit section, you're going to see so many options to deposit, but we're going to be making use of USDC. Please don't deposit by any other means. Okay, make your deposit by USDC. And if you're depositing by USDC, please let the address be on Solana. Okay, this USDC is under the Solana network. You can see it here. There are so many USDC out there. There are so many USDC out there on so many networks, but choose that under the Solana network. All right. So let me give you an instance of what I mean by the Solana network. I just want to use this to explain to you all the very importance, okay, of knowing what to do. All right, the very importance of knowing what to do. So once you come here, hit on search. All right, once you hit on search for USDC. All right, so what I'm trying to say is, when you're trying to deposit, you can see we have USDC on Ethereum, we have FUSDC, we have so many USDC here. Please do not mistake it for okay, make sure it is USDC under Solana. Okay, USDC under Solana, USDC under Solana. You can see it here. Okay, I don't know why we have two pairs here, but this is it. All right, USDC under Solana. So that is what you're going to use to deposit your $100 into this place. If you don't understand this, make sure you send me a message via either of my WhatsApp handle, my community, before you make any mistake. Now, after you've successfully deposited your money into your Cube Exchange, just click on portfolio. Okay, you're going to see your balance updated $100. All right, and then you can start trading and making profit on this platform. Now I'm going to teach you how I've been able to trade on this platform, and I've been able to raise over $100 to over $1,000, and you too can do the same thing. We just need you to be patient, to apply every single thing I've said so, or I'm going to tell you, and that's just it. Now let's briefly come over how you can make profit trading pairs in crypto. Now if you look towards the right corner of this screen, you're going to see what we have as trade here. You're going to see what we have as trade here. You're going to see buy, sell. You're going to see market. You're going to see limit. I don't want to talk much about this. Buy means you're trying to buy. Sell means you're trying to sell to get profit. Okay. Now market is actually if you want to buy that pair at what it's currently selling in the market price. Okay, what it's currently what they're currently bidding. Okay, the price they're currently bidding in the market. Okay, the market bid price. All right, so I would not advise you to use the market. It's not good at all. So we'll be using limits. Now limit is you take control of when you want to buy and when you want to sell. In that manner, you're going to be making profit and I will show you that in a minute on my screen. So just watch. So let me go down to some of my transactions. Let's go over to the transactions so that you can see an example of what I'm trying to say. So let me come down to some of my transactions so that you see exactly what is going on. Okay, so let's take for instance this transaction here. All right, let's take for instance this transaction here. If you look at this transaction here, I bought at 0.1030. That was the limit I set. That was the price I set to buy this coin at. And I spent over $253 to buy it. I spent over $253 to buy it at 0.1030. Now I got over 2,465 units or unit of honey. That's what I was trading. You can see it, honey USDC. Now look at the next trade. Look at the next trade above. Now that same trade or that same amount, I placed a sell order at 11, okay, at 11 cents, at 11 cents. So that's a difference. If you see, there is a difference between 10 cents and 1030 to 11 cents. There is a difference. So that difference in when I bought low and I sold high. I bought low and I sold high, and you can see my initial money, which was over $253, that bought me 2,465 honey, is now $271 of that same amount of honey. This is basically what we're doing: buying low, selling high, and making profit of it. And if you minus 271 from 253, you see that I've made a profit of over, I think, $18, over $18. Yes. So you can see how much profit one can make in transactions like this. So there are so many instances, you can see so many instances where I've made profit like this when you get a very good trading opportunity. So you have to pay attention to the market to see where there are gaps, okay, to see how the market is moving so that you can make profit from it. Now let me give you another example of one I'm actively trading. Now this is one I'm actively trading. As you can see, currently I am on a buy. I'm currently placing a buy order, and I'm trying to buy at 1.1. I'm trying to buy at 1.1, okay, $1.1, okay, to place the limit on $1.1 so that I would buy this order. Now, if you look at previous transactions, you can see that this buy order, I placed it at 1.1002, okay, and I spent $489 to get 444 unit worth of URC. Now, if you look at the sell, I sold higher at 1.1072, and that same 444 units of URC is no more worth $489, but now $492. So I believe with this, you have understood basically what I'm doing. I'm buying low and I'm trying to sell high. So you have to observe the price so that you know the limit, you know the range of price, so that you buy low and then you sell high. Now I'm going to cut this video short so that the next video will continue more on how to trade on this platform and make profit from it.